interview.
Ma'am, magkontrasona ka?
Hindi.
Ma'am, saan ka po sa zona?
Um,
Kasi sinabi niyo sa Australia, you'll be with, rather be with Filipino
oh, that's an idea, no? Ikaw nagbigay ng idea na yan.
Ma'am, tanong lang.
Ha?
You said in Australia, with Filipino community. Ma'am, so pending ang pag-
Hindi, no, meron kasi kaming supposed rally, Free Duterte now, rally sa Korea. But naka-hold yun. Naka-hold yun. So, hindi ko alam kung matutuloy yun.
Is that originally scheduled?
Sa SONA, sa 28.
So, Ma'am, if you're not attending this one, very quickly, what is the state of the nation for you? Bugtong hininga na lang.
The state of the nation is dire. It is sad. And for me, personally, it is frustrating.
Ma'am, lahat ng Free Duterte rallies, lahat yun na-attendan nyo. I mean, ma'am, may schedule sa Korea or any other countries, lahat yun balak ng attendant talaga? Or
Sinusubukan namin, sir. Nagdidepende kami sa invitation ng Filipino community abroad. So right now, meron kaming naka-hold na Korea and merong confirmed na Kuwait sa August 8.
okay, thank you.